Introducing Vaillant's contemporary new control, sensoHOME, designed with you in mind. The new Vaillant interface is our most intuitive yet, designed to guide you through setting up and managing your heating. Using Vaillant's intelligent communication, the sensoHOME can do more than just turning your boiler on and off. It can modulate your boiler to ensure you're always heating your home efficiently, saving you money on your energy costs. To set the time and date on your sensoHOME, press the menu button twice. Go to Settings by either tapping or sliding on the scroll bar. Use the tick to choose Settings and select Language, Time and Display. Select Date and using the tick and scroll bar, set the date. Repeat these steps for setting the time. Setting up the time programs on your sensoHOME control couldn't be easier with our brand new Time Program Assistant. To access the assistant, press the menu button and then the Help button. Select Time Program Assistant. You'll first be asked what your desired temperature is, followed by questions about your day, to automatically generate a heating schedule for the week and weekend. By default, this will also be set as the schedule for domestic hot water. If you would like a more detailed time program, you can set up to 12 heating profiles each day using the weekly planner. To access the weekly planner, go to the menu and select Control. Select the zone you want to set the schedule for. Select Weekly Planner. You can now see an overview of when the heating is currently set for each day. By selecting Add Time Period, you can now set up to 12 individual heating times and temperatures for each day. To copy this time program to other days, at the bottom of the Days menu, select Copy Setting To and select the day you want to copy to. Repeat this to set your schedule. You can also set the setback temperature, which is the temperature that applies outside of the defined time period. This is more efficient for the system, as it doesn't have to work as hard to get your home back to the set temperature. Repeat this for domestic hot water in the Control menu. If you want to temporarily override the set schedule from the home screen, press the menu button. Using the scroll bar, simply slide or tap to the desired temperature. Then set for how long you would like the override to be set. If you want to cancel the override, just press back and it will return to the schedule. If you're going away and want your heating system to be off, go to the menu, Control, and select Absence. Select the zone you want to set to away, then input the time and date that you leave and return. Whilst you're away, the setback temperature will be in place and the heating system will not fall below this whilst you're away. To prevent the touchscreen interface from being used, press the lock button located on top of the control and simply press the button twice to deactivate. The sensoHOME is also available as a wireless model. For further information, visit vaillant.co.uk.